I am going to be talking about the Hogue EX01. The EX01 is for Extreme 1, our first folder from Hogue Machine Tools and Elishewitz Custom Knives. And right here I have the EX01 in G-Mascus, black G-Mascus, taken apart. And I'm going to show different components of the knife, the quality of machining, the materials, what we've done to it, what's a little bit different from some of the other knives. And this right here is the pivot pin. You can see that the outside of the pivot pin has been polished up, real nice. And then look at this. This is a 1/4 inch thick, massive pivot. Okay, and if you notice right here, it's polished here. There's a slight step. Okay, a slight little step down. This portion right here is actually larger than the pivot area. Okay, and this pivot area is what the blade rides in, right in there. Now you can also notice that this polished area is much brighter than the actual barrel. This barrel is heat treated. Okay, so our pivot is hardened steel. Hardened steel on the blade gives you a lot smoother action and a lot stronger pivot. Same thing with our button. Massive button. Look how big that is. Not like some of those wimpy, cheap auto buttons. And it's also polished on the outside. And look at the center post. The center post is massive. It's not going to break. Also, you can notice, just like the pivot, there's a discoloration of color. Dark here, bright here. Dark here, bright here. This button lock is also heat treated to ensure rigidity, strength, toughness. This is a spring that we've chosen. Very strong spring. Here's our spoon style clip. Some of you knife nuts will recognize this clip. This is the same clip that was used on the Synergy, the SpeedTech Synergy. And it has the Hogue logo.